Hi everyone, today we are going to be cooking Indian Arbi. It's also called as Eddo or Taro or even Colocasia. It is a root vegetable and is gluten-free. It does have more calories than potatoes and is a good source of fiber. It's also a good source of B-complex vitamins, potassium and essential minerals like zinc, magnesium, copper, iron and manganese. This vegetable can be cooked in different ways. Today we are going to be stir frying it with a whole bunch of spices, and that's how my mom used to cook it when I was growing up. It has a tangy taste to it because of the mango powder and is really delicious. The ingredients that you need for this are the arbi, vegetable oil, some chopped garlic, curry leaves and a whole bunch of spices, salt, red chili powder, whole green chilies, cumin powder, mango powder, coriander powder and cilantro leaves to garnish. To begin, you want to slice off the ends just so that it makes it easy for us to, peel it. That's my husband chopping it for me. So you can see he's removing the ends. And now when you start peeling off, you can use a peeler or a knife, whatever your preference is. The skin is rather hairy, so it takes a little bit of time to remove the skin, but it's very easy to remove. So go ahead and do that. And once you have done remove the skin, you can chop it into small pieces like you see in this video here. You can even cut it into slivers, into juliennes, whatever way you like, into rounds, circles. Sky is the limit. Once it's all chopped, heat some oil in a pan and add your arbi to it. Add the whole green chilies, this is optional, and then add a little bit of garlic and mix it up well. You want to saute them for about, let's say about 10 minutes till it starts to soften up. And you will see in about 10 minutes time it begins to soften up. You'll be able to tell right away in the difference in the texture. There you can see it's softening up. It begins to shine, and if you need to add more oil you can at this stage. Now add your spices, all the dry spices. With regards to chili, you can be, how much ever chili you want, how much ever spicy you want, you can go with that. Cook it for another 10 minutes and it'll come to a nice golden brown color, and that's where you want to keep stirring it. You can cover it for about 5-7 minutes if you'd like to soften it even a bit more. And the mango powder gives it a nice tart and sour taste, so adjust it accordingly. And there you have it. So in 15 minutes you have a really nice delicious side dish. Garnish it with some spring onions if you'd like. Now leave a comment below. Did you try the recipe? How did it turn out? Tell me how the video helped you. I would really love to hear from you. And thank you so much for watching. Happy cooking and stay well. And do take good care of yourself. Bye now, until next time.